Welcome to Werkstatt for Neues, the ultimate working space for the creative and those who want to get creative. The concept of this space is radically geared towards the working and living requirements of those who work creatively. Werkstatt for Neues, our workshop for the new, is open, versatile and can be used in countless ways. Functionality comes first. Leave behind your daily routines and the beaten tracks your mind loves to take. Werkstatt for Neues is the ideal breathing space for open minds and creative heads. Magnetic boards, perforated walls and glass walls. All vertical surfaces are turned into potential presentation displays and are writable and pastable. Every centimetre of this space can be used to perpetuate ideas, share work results and visualise trains of thought. A space that animates, inspires and encourages to take the road less travelled. This isn't about right or wrong, but about new perspectives and approaches. Since only those who strike a new path will leave a trace.